Welcome in LG Lesmo, our showroom in Milan. Today I would like to show you one particular magic table. It is so special because it has different inlays on it. So we use particular type of woods, which are like ebony or zebrano wood or also eucalyptus. So they are special type of wood that put together, it gives a special shapes to your table that matches your furniture very, very easy. So now I would like to show you how you can lift the table and of course extend it, because the particular thing about our table is that you can extend it, so from 4 people until 12. So now you can lift the table at different heights because there is a lever just underneath the table to lock it. So if you want to have a happy hour or a coffee during your morning, you can have it like this, or also if you have kids, for example, to play on it. Or you can lift it at the maximum height, like this, lock it so that the table will be stable. And now you can move your table around the house in order to extend it. There are 2 wheels, which are very, very easy to move on any type of floor if you have parquet or ceramic tiles. So now, to open the table, there are 2 legs that you need to pull them down. They are magnetic, so they're very easy to open it, until you hear a clack. Now you can place your foot on the table to help you open the table. As you can see, it is already locked. So now you should use just one extension to sit, for example, 6 people, I would say. If you want to accommodate 8 or 10 people, you can use 2 or lift it at the maximum length. Oh my God. So this one is the maximum length of the table. So now, what about the extension to create your extendable magic table? LG Lesmo wanted to give you an original solution that I want to show you now, which are the extension hanging on the wall. So like this, you can choose the print on the first extension, which is a very particular print because you could see the wood knots that emerge from the print. So it is a special and particular technique that is kind of a LG Lesmo patent. So now we take the first one. As you can see, it is very, very light. And you can put it here. Then the second one. You can put it here. As you can see, they're very, very particular. This kind of table, it is very, very special, as we wanted to use different wood so that it matches the base of the table. And here you should press it so that it will be stable. And then the last one. Okay. You can lift them both in order to help you push them. And then the last one. Okay. So here you have a very, very special table, all made in Italy, in solid beech. And as you can see, you can customize the table as you want. So if you would like to have different wood finish or different inlays, you just go on our website, contact me and my colleagues, that we will be there for you. We can support you to choose what is best for your house.